Welcome back to my channel. In this video I will guide you how you can download MovieBox Pro on Firestick. So for that, first of all, in order to install a MovieBox Pro on your Firestick, you have to install Downloader. So first of all, I will tell you how you can install Downloader. Here is the step-by-step guide. Now in order to install Downloader, go to Find and search, then enter Downloader and select the first suggestion. After that, open the app menu and click Get. After when you click on Get, here you will see click on Cog on Fire TV Home. Now open My Fire TV and explore developer options. Choose Install Unknown Apps. Lastly, enable or switch on Downloader. So when you turn it on, here you can see the screenshot. Just Downloader will be installed. Once you install Downloader, now you can install MovieBox Pro. So in order to install this, fire up Firestick Smart Navigation menu by holding the Home button on the device remote access apps. Here you can see the screenshot. After this, just launch Downloader. Here you can see the Downloader. Just launch it. Then open the box under enter a URL or search term on Downloader's home. Here you can see Downloader. Just search here. Just simply enter this movieboxpro.app/tv and press go to continue. Here you can see the screenshot. Just write this and just press go. After this, MovieBox Pro APK file will start downloading on your Fire Stick. Wait for it to finish. Here you can see once it downloaded, just on success, MovieBox Pro APK will be tagged for installation automatically. Choose install to proceed. Then just simply click on done after the installation and your app has been installed. Now you can just simply enjoy it. Just remove the MovieBox Pro APK file to save space on your Fire Stick. Choose delete on the app status prompt. Here you can see. Now just your app has been installed. Now you can enjoy it. Thank you for watching.